Sylhet is a northeastern administrative division of Bangladesh comprising the districts of Sylhet, Sunamganj, Moulvibazar and Habiganj. It boasts a total of 150 tea gardens, including 3 largest tea gardens in the world. The Greater Sylhet is famous for its legendary landscapes and distinctive cultural features since ancient times. In view of the mountains, forests, rivers and haors, and the diversity of its population, history and culture, Sylhet is one of the top tourist attractions in Southeast Asia. Sylhet was inhabited by Indo-Aryan Brahmins, though ethnically the population also has traces of Assamese, Arabs, Persians and Turks. Sylhet city has been described as a city of saints, with the mausoleum of the great saint Hazrat Shah Jalal, who brought Islam to Bengal during the 14th century. After the independence in 1947 between India and Pakistan, Sylhet was then part of East Pakistan based on a referendum and is now a part of Bangladesh. Notwithstanding a Bengali majority, the culture of Sylhet has been enriched by a diverse range of indigenous communities, including the Khasis, Manipuris, Garos, Tripuras and Hajong. Tribes who still live in their primitive ways in the hills, practicing their age-old rites, rituals, customs and traditions. The Manipuris perform their traditional dance based on allegorical love themes of the ancient mythology. They also have their own traditional woven fabric, which is very popular amongst Bangladeshis. Sylhet has also influenced much of the music in Bangladesh. Notable legends include Hasan Raja and Shah Abdul Karim, who have produced Bangladeshi folk music. Sylhetis swear by their food and language. One can taste the flavors of the famous shatkara, chonga pitha, 7-colored tea, chili pickle, shidal chutney and shidal bara. Sylhet is well known for its wide and diverse set of handicrafts. It includes cane products of the exquisitely designed fine shidalpati. Tirmangal is called the land of 2 leaves and a bud. It is also known as Camellia, Green Carpet or Tea Mountain. The arranged sloped hills with tea gardens are breathtaking. Madhupur Lake is situated nearby the Madhupur Tea Gardens in Moulvibazar. It is one of the most visited sites during the winter season. Madhupgunda waterfall is the biggest waterfall in the country, situated in the Moulvibazar district. The height of the waterfall is 200 feet. Hamham waterfall in Moulvibazar was discovered in 2010 in Rajkandi Reserve Forest. It takes a 4 to 5 hour trek to reach the waterfall. Lawachara rainforest is one of the major national parks in Bangladesh. This forest was built by the British. Interestingly, Lawachara was one of the filming sites of the 1956 movie Around the World in 80 Days. Emakalenga is the largest natural forest after the Sundarbans in Bangladesh. Besides the deep forest and wild animals, tourists will be greeted by indigenous communities who have been living there for ages. Anyone visiting this forest may encounter various species of monkeys, squirrels, deer, elephants, wild dogs and pigs. Besides, a host of birds including parrots, magpies, owls, kingfishers, eagles and seagulls are also spotted here. It is a fabulous place to begin your cycling. Keen Bridge is a major tourist spot in Sylhet city. Hanging over the Surma River, the bridge is made of iron and steel. It looks like a bow and is the gateway to Sylhet. The shrine of Hazrat Shah Jalal is one of the most frequently visited tourist attractions in Sylhet. Hazrat Shah Jalal, along with 360 disciples, arrived in 1303 AD and inspired the people to embrace Islam. Ratagul is the only swamp forest experience in Bangladesh. It is located in the area of Fatehpur Union. It is approximately 26 kilometers away from the Sylhet town. Bisanakandi is a village where many layers of the Khashi mountain meet at a single point from both sides. The rainy season, the perfect time to visit the beautiful Bisanakandi that unites the charms of high mountains, sinuous rivers, graceful falls and dancing clouds. Lalakhal is an exquisite site for the visitors in Jaintapur Upazila. It is covered with hills, natural forests and tea gardens. One can enjoy the view of Jainta Hills, which is a part of the Meghalaya ranges in India. The unique transparent green color of the Sari River is due to the minerals flowing with the water. Jaflong is located beside the Piain and Deuti rivers and is nestled by the Khashia Hills. It is a place of pristine loveliness. Tangwar Haor is possibly one of the largest haors of Bangladesh. This is declared as the motherland for fishes of Bangladesh. The area of Tangwar Haor includes 46 villages. In 2000, the Haor Basin was declared as a Ramsar site. With the growing demand and the great prospects of tourism, Sylhet is becoming the next tourist hub of northeastern Bangladesh. As a result, a number of 3- and 4-star hotels have already been established. Resorts are also making a niche in the tourism sector, and a few resorts are fulfilling the tourist demand with all types of modern and luxury facilities.